Hi, this is a quick 3-minute video on this.
Okay, so in this particular question, we're being asked to find the value of the constant k. We know it's somewhere between 0 and 9, and we know the integral of k to 9 is going to be 6 over root x dx, which is going to be equal to 20. So I'm going to make my life a little bit easier, and I'm just going to rewrite this as the integral is going to be equal to 6x to the power of minus a half dx, and that's going to equal 20, because that's going to give me the ability then to add 1 to the index and divide by the new index. So I'm going to use some big square brackets here, and that's going to give me 6x, add 1 to the index is going to be to the power of a half, and divide by a half. Don't worry too much about that. We'll be able to sort that out, and that's going to be 9 to k, and that's going to equal to 20. Okay, well, 6 divided by half is going to be 12. So that's going to be fairly straightforward. I'm going to get 12, big square brackets again. I'm going to get 12x to the power of a half. Okay, and that's between 9 and k, and that's going to be equal to 20. Okay, so all we do really now is solve for k. So if I rewrite that ever so slightly, what I'm going to get is my first bracket, which is going to be 12, and the value of x is going to be 9. Okay, and that's going to be to the power of a half. And then I'm going to take from that, and rather than x, I've now got k. So that's going to be 12 brackets k to the power of a half, and that's going to be equal to 20. Okay, so I can work out my first square brackets as equal to 36. And then I've got 12k to the power of a half, which I can write as 12 root k, and that equals 20. Okay, now I need to get myself sorted out with this a little bit, and it's actually not too bad, because if I take 12 root k over to the right hand side and bring the 20 over to the left hand side, what I actually get is 16 is equal to 12 root k. Okay, so therefore if I divide through by 12, I'm going to get 4 over 3 is equal to root k, and therefore if I then square root both sides, k is going to equal to 16 over 9, and that would be the answer to this particular question.
Okay, so I hope the video was useful. Please do add a comment below if you're not sure about anything. I'll always come back to you. Subscribe to the channel. I'll look forward to seeing you inside the next video.